In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use guest access in Microsoft Loop. By the end, you'll be able to invite external collaborators into your Loop workspace quickly and confidently. This is perfect when you're working with clients, vendors, or partners who aren't part of your organization but still need to contribute. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Loop. From the results, choose the official Microsoft Loop page from Microsoft 365. This ensures you're on the correct site with the latest features and security. On the Loop page, select Get Started with Loop. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if you're new to Microsoft services. The sign-up is straightforward, and once you're in, you'll be taken to the Loop web app. Next, create a new workspace or open an existing one. Think of a workspace as the home for a project where all related pages and components live together. Clear names help guests understand the purpose and find what they need faster. Open the page you plan to share and make a few edits so it's ready for visitors. Add a concise, descriptive title, then draft the body of your page with enough context for someone new to the project. A short intro, current status, and what you need from the guests go a long way. When your page looks good, click Share in the top corner. In the sharing panel, switch to Workspace so you're inviting people to the entire workspace rather than a single page. This is ideal when guests need to navigate multiple pages or components to get their work done. In the invite field, type the email address of the person you want to bring in. Double check spelling so the invite reaches the right inbox. Guest access generally works with common work and personal email domains supported by Microsoft, though your organization's policies may affect who can be invited. If you see any prompts or notices about access, follow what your organization allows. Finally, click Invite. Your guests will receive an email with a secure link to join. From there, they can open the workspace in a modern web browser, no special installation required. If it's their first time collaborating, they may be asked to verify their identity, which is normal and helps keep your content safe. Before wrapping up, review your page for any content you don't intend to share externally and tidy it up. You can use comments and mentions to guide guests to the exact spots where you need input. That's it. You've enabled guest access in Microsoft Loop and set your collaborators up for success.